starting to separate already. It's already warm. Still in. And you can hear that sear. But I've got some chili wahili sauce made for it. Then I'll add chili wahili sauce. If you want to know where to get that recipe. I want them almost cut down, and that's going to be a nice slow roast for me. I've got the chili wahili sauce in. Let this cook for a couple hours now. We've been cooking the pork loin for about at approximately 200 degrees. I'm going to keep them warm in the oven.